part of my keep fit routine, and that's dancing. I love dancing, and when I got to 60, I thought, that's it, that's the end. Until I heard about Sheldon's, and me and my friend Linda, we said, yeah, let's go. It's been absolutely mind-blowing.
So my name's Jackie Syke, and I live in Ross-on-Sea, and I come here very regular. I've just retired, and I'm looking to help my mental well-being, and disco dancing, music from 60s, 70s just inspires me. And it helps me to help other people to feel happy too.
I'm Coral, I live in Ross-on-Sea, and I come here because there's not many places where you can go dancing our age, and just a sense of community and the mixture of people that we see. We make new friends. It's such a good vibe, and I absolutely love it.
I think there are very few places as you get older as a single person. There's not many places you can go and really let your hair down, and I think there's a need for it, because I think, you know, otherwise you get very isolated if you are on your own. So it's just nice to come and join in, really.
And it's 5 until 8, so at 8:30 I'm at home, PJs on, cup of tea, feet up. But I've been dancing since, mid-afternoon, which is absolutely brilliant.
There's people here that's got arthritis, but they can move their arms and they can smile. And as long as we're very kind to people, they can have a good time. You know what? We need more of this.